Hygienic Cupla. Hygienic Cupla provides one-touch connection, easy disassembly and cleaning. Hygienic Cupla provides an improvement for clean manufacturing environments and production efficiencies. Hygienic Cupla, easy wash type. Ferrule connections are commonly used to attach pipes in food and chemical manufacturing facilities, but they are not efficient. Tightening and untightening ferrules takes time to connect and disconnect. For one person, it is difficult to connect and disconnect large diameter piping. In addition, there's a risk the seal will fall to the floor during connection and disconnection. Over-tightening could cause the seal to be damaged and result in fluid contamination. Hygienic Cupla solves the difficulty in using ferrules for pipe connections. The connection is made by simply inserting the plug into the socket. The safety lock, activated by twisting the cam handle, squeezes the O-ring, which prevents fluid leakage. The O-ring will not protrude or splinter and contaminate the fluid in the pipe. The coupler can be disconnected by twisting the coupler parts counterclockwise. Hygienic Cupla does not require any special skills or tooling to operate. Any operators can connect or disconnect the coupler without assistance. Hygienic Cupla can be connected at 1/3 of the time compared to ferrule joining. Operators can complete the connection and/or disconnection quicker than using ferrules. Four steps are needed to disassemble the Hygienic Cupla. The disassembly steps are: pinch the clip, slide the lock plate, rotate the cam handle and remove the O-ring seal. No tools are required to disassemble the Hygienic Cupla. Reassembly is quick and accomplished without any special tools and skills. Cupla maintenance is easy. Only 4 parts should be washed after disassembly. The Cupla structure allows easy access to all surfaces. The O-ring is assembled on the plug and will not come loose during connection. A dust cap for both the plug and socket is available and prevents contamination of foreign matter into piping. SCS 16 is used to make the plug and socket, and SCS 13 is used for the cam handle. The materials are superior in providing against corrosion. All liquid surfaces are buff finished number 400 to prevent growth of bacteria. The O-ring is certified by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The dust cap is certified to the standard for food and food additives of Japan. The options available for coupler mounting are the ferrule shape or the welding shape. Hygienic Cupla, easy wash type, provides assistance with a clean manufacturing environment and workplace efficiency.